What are the possible reasons why a BDO account may be closed?
Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss why a BDO, Banco de Oro, account may be closed. There could be various reasons that might lead to the closure of your BDO bank account, and understanding these reasons can help you prevent such unfortunate situations.
What are inactive accounts?
One of the most common reasons for BDO account closure is inactivity. If there's no transaction on your account for a certain period, it is considered inactive. After a prolonged period of inactivity, BDO may decide to close the account. The bank has this policy in place to manage the number of dormant accounts.
Violation of bank policies.
Your BDO account may also be closed if there's a violation of the bank's policies. These can include a number of things such as fraudulent activities, non-compliance with bank's terms and conditions, or involvement in any illegal transactions. It's crucial that you are fully aware of and understand the policies of BDO.
Non-maintenance of required balance.
Another common reason for BDO to close your account is not maintaining the required balance. Each type of account has a minimum required balance, and consistently failing to maintain it might result in closure.
Closure at the account holder's request.
Voluntary closure by the account holder is another reason why a BDO account may be closed. This could be because you've moved to a different bank or perhaps no longer have need for that particular account. In this case, the closure of the account is initiated by the account holder. In conclusion, to prevent your BDO account from being closed, you should keep your account active, adhere to bank policies, maintain the required balance, and communicate any changes with the bank. This video should help you understand the various reasons why BDO might close an account. If you have further questions or need additional help, don't hesitate to contact BDO directly.